It's May 1st, 2008, and this is vlog number 23 for AbsoluteGains.com. So the saying is, sell in May and go away. Not so for me. Today I've got 3 buys I'm going to run through real quick. First buy is Intel, ticker symbol INTC. As I've said on here multiple times, tech is due for a rebound, and we've started to see it happen already. Now that CNBC is really hyping the rotation out of commodities and into tech and financials, more people will catch on to this trend. To capitalize, I'm going with a very solid large company. Intel's a big name that consumers know. It keeps destroying AMD, and its chart looks great. Here's a quick glance at it. This is the daily chart for the past 100 days. Talk about trading in a range. This reeks of a stock ready to break out. Heck of a buy at the 23.21 it's going for after hours. We might see some profit taken tomorrow headed into the weekend, but it won't stop this looming Intel breakout. The next pick is an international play, ticker EWH, which is the iShares Hong Kong Index. Now obviously this fund tracks the overall market movement of the Hong Kong exchange. This is a better play than China, it's got explosive growth potential, and it could be one of the best foreign markets all year. Now my last pick is a play in the financial sector, ticker symbol RGA. This is the Reinsurance Group of America. From the name, it's obvious what they do. Well, they do it in the US, Canada, Europe, South Africa, and Asia, so they have exposure to the entire globe. They missed on their last earnings estimates, but it appears most of that miss can be attributed to a period where a lot of deaths occurred that paid out really big policies. Such is the business of life insurance. But it's weird that Wall Street people don't consider that these deaths average out over time. That's the very model that these life insurance companies are built off of. Of course there's going to be freak periods every once in a while, but it all averages out in the long run. So the price is a little beat down on that earnings miss. I also like the way the chart looks. Here's a daily chart of the last 200 days. See, there's support right below $50. Looks like about $49.84, which is about 6% on the downside of today's close. The big resistance is at $59.37, which is about 11.5% above day's close. So you have twice the potential on the upside. Pretty good. And if this overall market recovery keeps up, RGA could even break through that resistance. I do want to make it clear though that this stock is not a fast mover. It could take a bit for all of this to happen, but I think a little patience with this one will make for a nice profit. I'm very tempted to play the XLF, but I'm not going to jump in quite yet because of the uncertainty going into the weekend. We'll see how this one closes tomorrow and take it from there.
All content contained on and associated with AbsoluteGains.com is only an opinion.